Today we are going to learn sum function and trim function. Let's start with the sum function. The sum function is used to add up numbers quickly. Let's say you have a list of numbers in cell A1 to A10. To get their total, you would use the sum function. Let's see one example. Already I have taken one example. Click here equals to sum, open the bracket, C2 semicolon C10. Close the bracket, then hit enter. Here it is. We have successfully calculated the sum function. Next, let's look at the trim function. The trim function is a Excel is used to remove external spaces from text, one single space between words and eliminate leading and trailing spaces. This is particularly used for cleaning up data that may have imported or copied from other sources. For example, we will take this provision shop list only. Here you see that this Excel sheet was not in order. See. Now we will see how it works. Equals to trim, open the bracket, type A2 semicolon C10. Close the bracket, then hit enter. We can observe the difference between these two data sets. One is not formatted properly. It contains leading and trailing spaces. The other data is formatted by using the trim function. Thanks for watching and see you next time.